What is Metaverse? Should I invest in Metaverse? Thousandaire Club. You must hear of the term Metaverse, especially when Facebook decided to change its parent company from Facebook to Meta. Now you may be wondering, what is thing Metaverse and how can it help me? As an investor, you have to take advantage of any new technology that is coming up to ensure that you make more returns on the investments that you are making. The emergence of new technology presents new investment opportunities that provide revenue streams. Investors are supposed to be aware of them, then use them to increase the amount of money that they make. Today, I am going to teach you more about Metaverse and whether you should invest in it or not. Before we get into the video, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to this channel, and click on the bell notification button so that you will be notified every time we upload a new video. A metaverse is a connection of 3D virtual worlds that are focused on social connection. It is a combination of multiple elements of technology that include virtual reality, augmented reality, and video where the user's live within a digital universe. The supporters of Metaverse envision its users working, playing, and staying connected with friends through everything from concerts and conferences to virtual trips around the world. Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of the newly named Meta, formerly Facebook, estimates it could take 5 to 10 years before the key features of the Metaverse become mainstream. However, some aspects of Metaverse have existed, and they include virtual reality, ultra-fast broadband speeds, and the always-online worlds that are already up and running, even though they are not accessible to all people. Some major companies such as Meta, formerly Facebook, Microsoft, and various game companies are at the forefront in the use of Metaverse to provide a whole new experience to their users. The future is beautiful, and we all have to brace ourselves for it. Right now, you can hold a meeting with your business associates despite their geographical location, and you can take a virtual tour around the world using virtual reality. These are some of the aspects of Metaverse that we can experience today, and they are just the tip of the iceberg. More features are more exciting. All we have to do is to find ways to make the Metaverse work for us, because it is the next big thing that is coming up. Should you invest in Metaverse? Investment decisions are usually made by individuals, and that is to means that you assess the opportunities that are available to put your money on a venture that you are convinced will enable you to make more money. Metaverse is a new technology, and it is going to be the next big thing in society. Many companies are looking for ways to conduct business worldwide, that is connecting with clients in different parts of the world and also working with suppliers from different parts of the world. Metaverse provides an opportunity to make money that you cannot overlook. It is also futuristic, meaning that it will work for you in the future. Look for ways of investing in the Metaverse because it is a lucrative opportunity that is likely to increase your return on investment. I believe that Metaverse presents a unique $1 trillion revenue opportunity that will make many investors rich. Some of how you can directly invest in Metaverse include purchasing Metaverse tokens, buying in-game non-fungible tokens, and purchasing virtual land in the Metaverse. Remember that you will have to invest responsibly because, like any other investment, there are risks and you may make losses in the process. It is therefore important to assess the investments that you can make and decide on the ones that will work for you and leave out the ones that will not work for you. In a nutshell, Metaverse provides the potential of making more money than you can seize and smile your way to the bank. However, it comes with various risks. For instance, if you invest in non-fungible tokens, there is no guarantee that people will buy them from you. Is Metaverse the next big thing? Yes, it is, and the signs are clear. It has provided a chance for people to connect and trade all around the world, something that is very exciting. Conduct the necessary research on the part of Metaverse that you want to invest in and find out the opportunities and the risks so that you can make the best decisions possible. You liked the video, right? I will be providing more educational videos. All you have to do is hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to this channel, and click on the bell notification button so that you will be notified every time we make an upload. Thanks for watching.